आपने एक चीज देखा होगा, जब भी कोई टेररिस्ट एक्टिविटी होती है ना, जिस भी रिलीजन का टेररिस्ट होता है उस रिलीजन के सारे लोग तुरंत टीवी पे आते हैं और बार बार याद दिलाते हैं टेररिज्म हैज नो रिलीजन, टेररिज्म हैज नो रिलीजन। ये वाला हमारा ही था, लेकिन टेररिज्म हैज नो रिलीजन, ये भूलना मत बस।
Similarly, when a fake Nazi like Ishan Thakur got exposed down the wazoo, retroactive fake Nazis like Dr. Vegas started yapping this on his reels.
तो आज की वीडियो किसी पे नहीं है, किसी को कुछ नहीं बोलूंगा मैं, कौन है नाटी, कौन फेक नाटी है, क्या हुआ, किसके रिजल्ट आए, बिकॉज ये उस बंदे और वाहिगुरु जी के बीच में है। वी आर नोबडी टू डिस्कस एनीथिंग।
ANAVAR is commonly used by fake Nazis like Rohit Chauhan, Meherlifjit Sharma, Tarun Gill, and Aki Behan Ka Lauda. Generic name is oxandrolone and it is an anabolic androgenic steroid, a synthetic derivative of dihydrotestosterone, aka DHT. ANAVAR was introduced in the early 1960s by the Searle Laboratories. Now it's a part of Pfizer. Primary form of ANAVAR is oral tablet, which is commonly available at a nearby chemist shop, which you can buy without a goddamn prescription from your management quota doctor.
Tecnologia!
Medical dosages typically range from 2.5 milligrams to 10 milligrams. Brand names include ANAVAR, which is freaking obvious, Oxandrin, and Lonavar. Oxandrolone functions primarily through two different pathways. It binds to androgen receptors of the skeletal muscle tissues, which is also called as androgen receptor agonism. It also blocks the catabolic effects, which is also called as muscle wasting effects caused due to cortisol interfering with glucocorticoid receptor signaling. Fake Nazis exploit the half-life clearance time of ANAVAR. They take in ANAVAR and they clear natty drug tests and they are crowned as ICN winners, which is freaking awful. The half-life in adults is approximately 9.4 hours to 10.4 hours. Systemic clearance takes approximately 48 to 72 hours to be pharmacokinetically eliminated from the body after a single dose. Metabolites of this drug can be detected in the goddamn urine 3 to 4 weeks after cessation. That's why Ishan Thakur, Jit Sharma, Rohit Chauhan got caught in the goddamn drug test because of this. Potential general and medical uses include severe burn injury, cachexia associated with HIV/AIDS, Duchenne muscular dystrophy, and osteoporosis. Potent side effects include hepatotoxicity, dyslipidemia, testosterone suppression, and virilization in women. Despite all these bloodthirsty side effects, fake Nazis like Ishan Thakur pop in ANAVAR pills and people see their goddamn physiques on the goddamn reels and get insane thrill. Most of the jacked Indian fitness influencers that you see on the goddamn internet are pinning Sazul into their goddamn butt cheeks, except Dion De Silva because he's simple, humble, yada yada yada. To conclude, the fake Nazi pandemic cannot be fixed. The Indian fitness industry is all messed up, just like Delhi's AQI. I hope this message sinks in, and until then, peace out.
देखिए, एक तो बेसिक ट्रिक है, एक तो लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए, महाकाल का दबाकर लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए, 5000 लौटे दिख जाना चाहिए। ये 4000 के लिए मैं यहाँ पे नहीं खड़ा हूँ, पूरा साल मेहनत करता हूँ आपके लिए बेटा। ऐसा नहीं चलेगा, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा। लाइक ठोकी दबा के, लाइक ठोकिए। यहाँ पे देखिए, ऐसा क्वेश्चन चुटकी बजाते